What's up, Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Just coming at you with a quick, basic intro into support and resistance. Now, the key thing with support and resistance, if we look at the chart here, is what time frame we're getting our support and resistance. Right now, we're on the 1 day time frame, and you can see that key levels of support, and an easy way to mark this is the Alt H button. So Alt H, and you will draw a beautiful trend line that comes across, and you can see it here in red. You can click that trend line and you can change the color and the thickness within the settings box here. So you can make it big and you can make it thin. I like to use thin ones to keep my charts clean, but you can see on the daily chart here, we can mark out key levels of support and resistance. Now, a lot of people are able to trade with just using support and resistance. With other confluences that you add to your charts, it's very easy to come along, Alt H, and mark out key levels throughout your charts that you can see that have been respected. Now, how will we use these to trade? Well, you can see that I'm on the daily. If we zoom into price, let's say that we're trading where we are currently right now in the markets. Well, you can see these are some big lines, but the higher the time frame, the more stronger these levels of support and resistance are. So let's go down into one of my favorites, the 4 hour, and take a look at the charts here. And we can see that price seems to work its way up and down in between these levels. You can see the multiple touches throughout as it bounces in between and out sometimes, but works its way back in. As you can see, if you were to trade this area, you would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, and 8 opportunities to catch a good trade. Now, what this does, it creates a range for us to trade within these areas. So when you're trading a range, you're able to get in and out of trades and take profits early in order to let the trades run. Now, what I mean by that is if we look at this here and this trade here, if we had shorted right here, we'll go with the highlighter, we would have been able to hold this trade, taken profits here, and also let the trade run down to here and made that extra big gain. Now, same with this area here. If we notice that this was a bottom and this was a new level of support and resistance from our previous range to the left here, we can see that we would have been able to possibly catch the second wick at the bottom here and ride this all the way up. So this is a simple way that by marking out support and resistance, we can trade a range within the big range, right? If we look at this range here, we can simply see that there is a high, a low, and we can mark it out and we can take multiple trades throughout and we can create multiple ranges throughout the range. I hope this helps. It's a simple, basic way I use on a daily basis to mark out my ranges, my highs, and my lows in order to get into big, profitable trades. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us in the Discord. Links are below. God bless and have a great day.